What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and you can see that's the CloudWalker soundbar. It's a 2.1 soundbar, and I already did the sound test using the Bluetooth in a previous video, but today it's connected to my PC. Right there you can see, and that's a green light, mean it's on aux mode, and the previous video you have seen the blue light. That was the Bluetooth mode. So now it's on aux mode and it's connected to the RCA and to the PC. So I selected three songs, and we're going to check the songs, and the sound is going to be pretty loud. So let's start with this one.
My only crime was hoping there's something more than this, loneliness I feel. But no one makes me feel less alive. Fighting fire, no way to push my buttons just right. Fighting fire, when two voices of nature collide. Fighting maybe